She goes to the zoo. She sees a lion. The lion roars. She sees an elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. She sees a turtle. The turtle is slow. She sees a rabbit. The rabbit has soft fur. She sees a gorilla. The gorilla is eating a banana. It is Christmas. Dad gives Tim a toy. The toy is in the box. Tim takes off the lid. He sees the toy. It is a car. The car is red. The car makes noises. The car moves fast. Tim likes the gift. He hugs Dad. Dad smiles. She goes out to play. She runs around. She falls down. It hurts. She cries. She gets up. She goes to the nurse. The nurse is nice. She looks friendly. The nurse gives her a lollipop. It tastes good. The nurse gives her a bandage. She is okay now. She walks back to class. The kids are in class. The teacher is teaching math. The kids are tired. They want to play. They want to see the sun. They like slides. They also like swings. They don't like math. They stare at the clock. The clock moves slowly. The kids continue to wait. He is playing video games. Mom gets mad. She thinks he is lazy. She gives him a list of chores. He frowns. He looks at the list. He has to clean the floors. Then he has to wash the dishes. Finally, he has to feed the dog. He starts doing his chores. She sits in the car. Her dad turns on the radio. A song plays. She taps her feet. She sways her head. Her dad laughs at her. He likes the song too. The song is over. The radio plays a different song. She does not like the new song. She sits quietly. Haley feels hot. Her mom touches her forehead. Haley has a fever. The mom takes Haley to a doctor. The doctor is kind. He gives her a sticker. He tells her to take a pill. He tells her to drink a lot of water. Haley goes home. She takes the pill and drinks water. She does this for 3 days. She is healthy again. Sarah is hungry. She goes to the kitchen. She opens the cabinet. There are a lot of snacks. The marshmallows are too sweet. The potato chips are too salty. The ice cream is too watery. The kiwis are too sour. The cereal is too bland. Her dad comes home. He gives her crackers. The crackers are perfect. Jill does not like math. Jill starts talking about food. Her friends laugh. They stop doing their homework. The teacher is upset. She tells them to stand in the corner. Jill goes to the corner. It is hard to be quiet. She thinks about her family. She thinks about her dog. 5 minutes pass. The teacher lets her go. It is Lily's birthday. She gets out of bed. Nobody says anything to her. Her mom takes her to school. Her friends do not say anything. The teacher does not say anything. Lily is sad. Lily walks home alone. She opens the door. Her friends and family are holding a cake. They say, "Surprise, Lily!" Kate is walking. She sees a dog. The dog wags its tail. Kate likes the dog. It has no collar. Kate takes it home. She washes the dog. She names him Toby. She takes Toby to the vet. Toby is healthy. Kate walks Toby every day. They love each other. Ms. Howard assigns a project. She wants the students to work in groups. Adam works with Joe and Bill. Adam is smart. Joe draws well. Bill is cooperative. They make a good group. They turn in their project. Ms. Howard likes it. She gives them a high grade. Adam, Joe, and Bill are joyful. The cat is bored. He tries to have fun. He plays with yarn. He scratches his tummy. He takes a nap. He drinks milk. He is still bored. He sees a mouse. The mouse is eating cheese. The cat steals the cheese. The mouse is angry. The mouse chases the cat. The cat is having fun. John wants to go to his school field trip. He needs $50. He wants to earn it himself. He plans to open up a lemonade stand. He goes to the market. The lemons are cheap. They are also ripe. He buys 50 lemons. He starts making lemonade. A lot of people are in line. His lemonade stand is a success. He makes enough money. Tomorrow is the first day of school. Barbara looks at her backpack. It has holes. It is dirty. She needs a new one. Her mom takes her shopping. There are so many backpacks. One backpack has yellow stars. Another one has rainbow stripes. Another one has dogs. Barbara likes this one. She buys it. Maria feels pain in her teeth. She tells her mom. Her mom takes her to the dentist. Maria is scared. She enters the waiting room. The secretary calls Maria's name. Maria goes in. Maria sits in a big chair. She waits for the dentist. The dentist arrives. He is careful with Maria's teeth. He gives her a new toothbrush. Maria feels good. Mark needs a book. He does not have money. His mom takes him to the library. Mark can borrow books for free. Mark enters the library. There are so many books. There are books about animals. There are books about pirates. There are books about science. Mark borrows them all. She eats a slice of cake. She drops a crumb. The ants can smell it. They crawl towards the crumb. She notices the ants. She does not want to kill them. She gets a cup. She puts the ants inside. She opens the window. She lets the ants go. It is Halloween. Nancy is dressed as a princess. She goes trick-or-treating. She walks to one house. She rings the doorbell. A young couple opens the door. Nancy holds out her bag. She receives candy. She says, "Thank you." The couple smiles. Nancy goes to the next house. He goes to the petting zoo. There are many different animals. He pets the turtles. The turtles feel rough. He pets the sheep. The sheep feel woolly. He pets the cows. The cows feel smooth. He pets the bunnies. The bunnies feel fluffy. He tells his mom he wants a pet. His mom says he can get one tomorrow. Robert's room is messy. There is pizza under his bed. There is glue on the wall. There is a pile of clothes. There are toys on the floor. Robert does not care. He watches a television show. His mom goes into his room. She turns off the television. She yells at him. He starts to clean his room. Today is Father's Day. Daniel surprises his father. He serves him breakfast. There are eggs, bacon, and orange juice on the tray. Daniel's father is happy. Later, they go play tennis. Daniel stands on one side. He swings the ball. Daniel's father hits the ball back. Finally, they watch the sunset. What a great day! Betty loves her baby sister. Betty takes care of her. She changes her diaper. She feeds her. She teaches her how to walk. She teaches her new words. It is not easy to take care of babies. Betty's baby sister cries sometimes. Betty plays peekaboo with her. She covers her eyes, then opens them. The baby laughs. Sarah's basketball team lost today. She is upset. She walks home sadly. She sits down on the couch. She starts crying. Her mom sees her. She gives her a hug. Then she bakes Sarah's favorite cookies. The warm cookies make Sarah smile. Sarah wipes her tears away. She realizes that sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. He moves to a new city. There are many buildings. There are a lot of people walking. There are many taxis. He feels lonely. Everyone acts so different here. He goes to his new school. He sees a friendly-looking person. He asks him to show him around.